The most common question that a lot of people ask me is, what is the fastest way to make money as an affiliate marketer when they don't have a huge following? So in this video, I'll show you a brand new step-by-step method to make your first $1,000 on reoccurring commissions. And the best part of this method is you don't need to build email lists. You don't need to know about the complicated sales funnels. You don't have to buy any of those tools. And most importantly, you don't need a big budget. You can spend as little as $5 on ads per day. And I've seen a lot of people making their first commission on the very first day they have started using this method. By the way, before we start this video, if you're excited to learn about this topic, can you please subscribe and turn on the notification, because I'm coming up with some amazing ideas on this channel to create passive income from your laptop that you don't want to miss out. So without further delay, let's jump into the topic. Hey, what's up? My name is Munib Muhammad, and before we start this video, I want to tell you something really important, that the method that I'm about to show you works specifically good for the software. So if you're trying to promote something else other than the software, it may or may not work. So why I want to promote software is very easy to promote. And I love softwares because most of the softwares are giving reoccurring commissions. That means you get people to sign up for only once, and as long as they are using the software, you keep getting reoccurring commissions for life. That is the power of passive income. So the first step of this method is to find a software that you can promote, and for that I use a site called Capterra.com. So Capterra is the internet's biggest database for the softwares. So what we want to do here is we want to look for the software that is not running a Google ad and has an affiliate program which is hosted by themselves, because we don't want to go on the affiliate networking platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, CB Engine, because this specific method doesn't work well on the products on those kind of platforms. So this is the reason why we are here on Capterra. So once you are here on Capterra.com, go to categories. Once you click here, you'll see all kind of different categories of softwares, from medical practice management, performance, project management, accounting, and there are tons of different categories of softwares that you can promote. So select the software that you are interested in. I'm just gonna go with the CRM software just for the example. And here you can see there are over 1,300 softwares just in the CRM category. Zendesk, Monday.com, Salesforce Essentials, and all those kind. The only difficult part in this method is to do a research to find a product, suitable product to promote. For that, to do a research, what we want to do is open a new tab and just Google all these products and see if they are running a Google ad. We'll go with the Zendesk. Let's see if they are running a Google ad. Okay, looks like Zendesk is running a Google ad right here. It's sponsored. So you don't want to promote a company which is already running a Google ad, because if you are running a Google ad and they are running a Google ad, then you'll be competing with each other, and at the end no one is gonna be happy. So find a product which is not running a Google ad. So I'm gonna go back to Capterra and I'll do with all these products. So after doing some research, I got lucky. I found one software called Zoohoo which is not running a Google ad, but their competitors are running Google ad, which is not obviously good for that company because they are taking away all their potential customers. So the next step, what you want to do is you want to join the affiliate program of that company. So let's see if Zoohoo have an affiliate program. So to find if they have an affiliate program or not, all you have to do is type in the name and then affiliate program. Awesome. Zoohoo has an affiliate program, as you can see here. So I want to click on get started, and before I fill out this form and apply for to be an affiliate, I want to see if Zoohoo allows me to run Google ads, because there are a lot of companies that doesn't allow you to doesn't allow you to run the Google ads, because if you run Google ads and if they found out, they're gonna ban you for life and you cannot promote that company in your whole life. So we want to see if this one is allowing us to promote to run the Google ad. So what you want to do is Control F, and we will search for specific keywords like PPC. Seems like nothing on PPC. We want to check if there is something on bid or AdWords. Nothing on AdWords. We can see for Google, nothing on Google, and we can check keywords, nothing on keywords as well. So seems Zuhu is allowing you to run the Google ads. So what you want to do here is you want to sign up for their affiliate program. Just fill out the short form and submit it. I'm not gonna do here right now because I read this thing here. It says they will review and get back to you in 5 business days. So I'm not gonna wait for 5 business days, and I'm gonna assume that they have approved my affiliate application. And once you are approved, they will give you a special link that is your affiliate link. Anyone buys from that affiliate link, you're gonna get a profit commission. So the next step is you have found a software, then you have check if they are running a Google ad, then you have checked you have applied for the affiliate program, then you got your affiliate link. The next step what you want to do is you want to run a Google ad. To run a Google ad, you have to go to ads.google.com and create a new account. You just need your Gmail account to sign up for a Google Ads account. Then once you create a new account, you will see this page. Google is always trying to get some money out of your pocket. So forget about this thing and scroll down a little bit and click here, switch to expert mode. Then what we're gonna do is we want to select website traffic, because we are not trying to get leads, we are not trying to create a brand awareness, or we are not trying to do a product and brand consideration. So just select website traffic, then create on search, because we are not trying to, we don't want our ad to run on the display. We just want our ad to run on the search, because people who are searching about that specific keyword are the hot customer that they are more likely to buy. That way we are not blowing our money away on the advertisements. So click on search, then click continue, and here you have to put your affiliate link. Right now I did not have an affiliate link because they're gonna give me a response in 5 business days. So I'm just gonna put zuhu.com just for the example. But you want to make sure that you're putting your affiliate link, because this is how you get your commission. Then you want to click continue. Then give a campaign name from which you can remember, because we'll be running multiple campaigns, multiple ad campaigns, so we don't want to mess up things. So I want to give this campaign name Zuhu Affiliate. Then I don't want display network, so I'm taking off display network. I just want my ad to be appeared on the search network, so I'm just leaving this box. Then locations, you can select whatever location you want. For now I'm just choosing United States and Canada, and for the languages I'm gonna leave it for English. So for the budgets, you can start as little as $5, but I recommend you to go with at least $10. Initially, you don't want to go for higher budget, because you want to do the testing if the ad is performing good, if the product is good, if you are profitable promoting that software. So just go for $5 or $10. Then this thing, leave this block. Just forget about this bidding and scroll, click on save and continue. Now give this ad group 1. This is ad group 1. We can have multiple ad groups in one campaign. So I'm gonna leave for ad group 1. Then this is very important, guys. the keywords. These are the for the keywords your ad will pop up. So we don't want all these keywords that Google have recommended us. I want to delete all these things. I want my ad to pop up only for the specific keyword that I choose. So I want to write a keyword Zuhu. I want to put it in the bracket. I'll explain you this in a bit why I'm putting brackets. You can also put Zuhu CRM and CRM software Zuhu. It's very important for us to put the brackets, because if we don't put the brackets, the keyword will be a very broad keyword. If let's say someone is searching anything on Google about Zuhu, how many employees are working on Zuhu, then your ad will pop up. You don't want that thing to happen. If you want a very specific keyword, for that you want to put the bracket. That way you don't blow up your money. Then you want to click on save and continue. So this is where you're actually creating the ad. So what you want to do is, here you want to put the headline for the ad, how it would look like. I don't have a headline right now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to see the headlines of Zuhu, and I'll use the same headline, Zuhu Cloud Software SaaS application. So what I can put is, cloud, Zuhu Cloud Software, then SaaS applications. I can write the same SaaS applications. Then let me get few other ideas. I can use a unique and powerful software. Then I can also use design for businesses of all sizes. Design for businesses. I'm just gonna go for 4. Then you can also select 4 headlines. Then you can write the description. I want to write the same description like this: a unique and powerful software suite to transform. So I'm just gonna copy this. This thing and write it over here, and that's it. You wanna click on save and continue. The only thing you have to do is put in your credit card details in your Google ad account, and your ad will be up and running, and hopefully you'll make some sales. Now this method is absolutely gold, but the only problem with this business is you're not building your audience, you're not building the email list to remarket your product and services, which means it's not a long-term business. But if you want to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business just from your email address, I want you to click the link in the description and take the 3-day business challenge, and I'll see you in the next